Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigi and Callie channel. Let's explore emotions with the moon picnic, make a face. This fun activity is perfect for kids to learn about feelings and express themselves creatively. This is happy. Maybe you feel this way when you spend time with your favorite people or play your favorite game. Here's angry. What makes you feel angry? It's okay to feel this way sometimes, and talking about it helps. And now we're sad. Maybe something didn't go as planned, or we miss someone we love. Sadness is just one of the many feelings we all experience. Wow, look at all these emotions. Surprised when you see something unexpected. Shy when you meet new people, and proud when you accomplish something great. Feeling bored, frustrated, or exhausted? That's okay too. Each emotion is a part of who we are. Every piece helps tell a story. Which face matches your mood today? With Make a Face, kids can learn, play, and grow. Parents, this hands-on activity is perfect for little learners to explore emotions while having fun. Get your moon picnic, make a face set from Gigi and Callie today, and make learning magical. Thanks for watching Gigi and Callie channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.